All right, my Food Mood friends, welcome back. Chandra's Zen Odyssey. Okay, so I'm sitting on the edge of my chair. It's winter here in Reno and it's December. I'm actually recording this Friday before you guys see this video, before it goes live. And this month you're gonna hear a lot about my membership that is launching and coming live. Live calls are starting in January. You can join anytime, but it's such a good time to join. And honestly, like one of the biggest questions I just keep asking is like, why not?
Welcome! Here is your hostess and coach, Chandra Zaz, helping people make food and mood changes doable without missing out. Go ahead, high five that like button, subscribe and share while you're there.
Like to me, this is just such a no-brainer. And if you're in a place where you're already trying, you're already working on your health, you're buying organic, you know how important your health is, and your health is not where you're wanting it to be, you're not feeling as vibrant as you would like, your brain is not as clear and productive and creative, maybe you have symptoms, wherever you're at in your health and you're wanting more and you're knowing that this is like super important, and maybe probably money holds a lot of us back from taking care of our health. And so my program is built and based on really hitting the foundational pieces of diet, stress, and lifestyle changes made from a place of love and connection to how you want to feel, how it is how you want to feel. And so we build this desire, we build this connection. It's not restriction, not willpower, not force. It's something that it's crucial to like really having sustainable health changes. So I have this program and it's coming live, and I want you to really think about like, why not sign up for this program? I'm guessing because I'm not running ads, this is like a video that's just to the people who are already watching me. These are my friends, my family, my community, my network. Like, why not sign up? And I'm gonna actually share something really cool. Before, as I was like creating all the pages and the offer and everything, I got my first person to sign up before I even like technically launched it. My mom was visiting us here, and I just shared with her what I had been working on that day, how I had finished up these pages, and she signed up. She was like, "Where can I pay?" And I was like, "What? Why are you deciding to do this?" And I was like, "Is it because you're wanting to support me or because you're wanting to really work on your health?" And she's like, "Both." And she actually was my first person that signed up, which is just a really special, beautiful thing. And so my mom, I don't talk a lot about her on purpose for a few different reasons. And I asked her permission, and I know she watches all these videos. And so she knows. I said, "Can I share that you're in this program?" And she's like, "Yes, you can." So she's my first person who signed up, and she's in, and she's really wanting to work on making changes. She's already been using a lot of the content that I've shared in these videos, working on emotional stuff, and we're gonna just take it to the next level. And so all month, maybe for a couple months, you're gonna hear a lot from me about this program that I'm launching. My whole thing has been like, maybe you know about my story, but like I was a really sick kid. So I really know what it's like not have my health. My psychologist has referred a couple clients to me, and he has told me more than once, like, just remember how good looking you are. And for me, it's a weird thing to hear because I was not a good looking kid. I was inflamed, I was sick, I had eczema, I was puffy. I was just watching childhood videos at my aunt's house over Thanksgiving, and I just was like looking at myself, and I was like, oh my gosh. And my daughter's like, "Mommy, your belly was like really big." And I was like bloated and constipated and just like not vibrant. And so you might look at me and you might think, oh, she's just naturally healthy. Maybe you don't know. I'm 41 years old. I'm actually gonna be 42 soon. And I do not take my health for granted. It's something that I have had to really figure out. How do I feed myself? How do I deal with my emotions? I used to be really locked up and had a lot of anxiety and depression. And so my program is something that I felt so when I was 15, and my doctor, I was like, what else can I do besides medications? And that's all that he gave. He kind of mumbled diet, stress, and lifestyle, which is ultimately like what doctors don't know how to give us, Western doctors. but it's what my program is based on. It is like the foundational pieces of health that clear up at least 80% of our health struggles.
Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm in the Dead Sea, floating in the water. Go ahead and like and share and follow so we can keep in touch.
And so when we're in relationship with our emotions and we're not creating this anxiety and depression, and then we don't need to escape those really uncomfortable feelings by going towards habits that harm our health, like overeating or eating foods that don't serve us, or drinking or smoking or scrolling or whatever it is that has negative impact on our health, on our relationships. So I help give tools for how to actually make internal change. I use this coaching tool, I call it the internal human algorithm of change, where you really get to know, okay, well, what's going on inside of me and what choices do I have? It's like a new set of choices. Why don't we learn this in school? Is like one of the big things I hear over and over from my clients. I'm actually starting to work with my daughter's school and working with giving the kids and the teachers the same tools that I'm giving here in my program. So I really want to know why not? Why not sign up for my program? If you're watching this and you're curious about your health and you're already working on it and you're wanting to feel more vibrant, this program is proven, it works. It's like really, you still got to show up, you still got to watch yourself, you still got to interrupt your old habits and patterns, you still got to make choices of like, okay, am I going to choose something that's going to make me small and not feel well, or am I going to choose something that like helps me show up big and makes me feel good after this meal, tomorrow morning, 10 years from now? So I just made this deal, this offer even better. I was sitting with myself in the last couple of days figuring out, okay, well, what is exactly how I want to do this? And my membership, you can either pay monthly or you can pay everything up front, and it's for life. You have access to my food and mood program. You have access to the live coaching calls for life. You don't have to keep paying forever. You pay either the monthly or the upfront amount, and then you literally are part of this community. You can come back here whenever you want to do a reset, or you want to come back to your baseline, or you want to come join a community of people who are working on these same tools and embodying them, taking it like a next level, a next level, a next level. I know that in my health journey, there was a lot of roller coaster. I would like do something and it would feel really good for a while, and then I would dip back down and learn from it, and then keep going up and keep making those small yet really meaningful shifts that really accumulate to a state of health, to a state of vibrancy, to a state of clarity, productivity. This program, it's really built for grandparents, parents, business owners. As much as marketers keep saying, like, the big thing is like, don't talk to everyone, this program really is for everyone. And at the price that I'm offering this membership, because I can do it in a group style, and group work is so good. When I lived at Esalen and I watched other people go through their changes, it was like I could just get them in myself at a deeper level. Group work is powerful. It's more affordable. It's really got there's just, to me, it's like I just keep thinking about this, and I'm sitting on the edge of my seat, so excited to offer this to those of you who are really wanting to work on your health. It's not a huge investment. It's very, very doable, and it's proven, and it's in community, which I think food changes are just so important in community, because one of the big obstacles is like, we don't want to feel awkward. We don't want to feel left out. We like to eat together. We like to break bread together. And so there's a lot of tools on how to deal with the social pieces, how to be an inspiration instead of a burden to people when we're eating with people. And yeah, it's the beginning of a very cool movement that I am just feel like I'm like birthing. I've been going back and forth between, is it a 6-month or a 9-month like paying commitment? And I'm kind of leaning towards, and I'll make this decision very soon, but leaning towards 9 months, because it's like a pregnancy. It's like, how do we rebirth ourselves in this new state of health, and this new relationship with our mind, with our emotions, with our body, with our food, with the factors that are really what accumulate and make our state of health. And we can own our own health and become our own body expert and be able to listen to our own body's cues. It's something we're taught as kids, is to like ignore our cues, finish your plate. And there's so much wisdom inside of our body that we work towards reconnecting to, and being able to listen to, how much do I need right now? What foods do I need? The options are healthy or healthy. And then also there's the exceptions when we want to just have a treat, or we want to indulge. but do it consciously and do it knowing, okay, well, this is the price I'm going to pay. Am I okay with that? Yes, I'm okay with that. Not beating ourselves up, not judging ourselves, really surrounding our state of health with a state of love, with a mindset of, I can do this. There's nothing wrong with me. I love myself. I'm choosing habits, foods, moods that make me feel good, make me feel the way that I want to feel. And it's long-term good. It's not short-term good. It's not the sugar dopamine hit. It's the natural pleasure dopamine hits that really get us hooked and really craving those choices that make us feel really good. So I would really appreciate if you know of anybody in your life who's struggling with their health and who's wanting and looking for help, please share this with them, whether it's this post or this video or my webpage, whatever it is, please help me reach more people. Referrals are just one of the most powerful ways that people enter my program because there's just such an automatic level of trust, and trust is huge. Trust is really, really huge. So please refer this out. And if you're curious, then please sign up to talk to me. If you're watching this in a video on Instagram, then please, or Facebook, please type in below, I want to learn more, and I will directly be in contact with you. Go to my webpage, sign up for a free call. There's a 30-minute call that we can talk about more what this looks like, and get in my program. Why not? This is like my biggest question, like all day as I've been thinking about making this video, I'm like, why not? Why would people not sign up for this video, for this program? And so I want to ask in this video, tell me why not. I would really, really appreciate and love to know why not. Like, why not invest in your health? Why not? I was even thinking about this phrase of like, save your life, like get to know your body and invest in your health, because it literally is the quality of our life. Without our health, life is hard and it's not nearly as fun. I know this firsthand very dearly, and I want to give you and your friends and your family and whoever is wanting to really own their health and step into a high state of vibrancy, high state of creativity, high state of being, high state of consciousness. I really want to help you and I give you these tools. And this program for me is just a total no-brainer. If I'm missing something and you're like, but what about this? Or this is why not? Tell me, please. Please, 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 please tell me. And I just checked the time. It's a 12-minute video. I thought it feels like 3 minutes, but please sign up for my program. Please share this video. Please tell me why not. Please tell me you want to learn more. And I will see you inside, and you're going to keep hearing from me, and I'll make some more videos, and I'm going to keep talking about it all month because it's time. It's time, and you're ready, and let's do this. Okay, I'll see you inside.